Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? As Mexico's first president from an indigenous community, Benito Juarez became one of the most blank figures in his country's history. Among the many significant accomplishments of his long tenure in office, Juarez consolidated the authority of the national government and advanced the rights of indigenous peoples. The text highlights how Benito Juarez made many significant was a very significant figure in his country's history because he had many significant accomplishments, which were like consolidating the authority of the national government and advancing the rights of indigenous peoples. So let's look at the option choices. A. Unpredictable. So this unpredictable doesn't properly fit the blank in this case because the accomplishments that are highlighted in this text highlight how he was a very significant figure in the country's history, not that he tended to act in an unpredictable manner. So A is incorrect. B. Important. This seems to be the correct answer because important properly highlights how he made many significant accomplishments during his tenure in office, like consolidating the authority of the national government and advancing the rights of indigenous peoples. So these are both very important accomplishments, and for that he is seen as an important figure in the country's history. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C. Secretive. This is incorrect because secretive implies that his actions were secretive, but nothing in the text suggests that he was at all secretive. Therefore, C is incorrect. D. Ordinary. This is incorrect because the text suggests that he was important, not ordinary, that his accomplishments were very significant, and like he consolidated the authority of the national government and advanced the rights of indigenous people. So these are not ordinary accomplishments. Therefore, D is incorrect. The correct answer is B.